Hi, I'm Nick, and today we will be showing you how to resolve Android WCAG info and relationships violations. WCAG 1.3.1, titled Info and Relationship, states that information, structure, and relationships conveyed through presentation should also be able to be determined programmatically. The intent for this success criterion is to ensure that information and relationships presented via auditory or visual formatting is preserved when the formatting changes. For example, if information is stored in a table, the structure and relationships of the entities in that table must be able to be determined programmatically so that a text reader can convey its structure and relationships to the user. For more information on WCAG info and relationships violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix an info and relationship violation with the help of the Mesmer JetBrains IDE plugin. Here we have an info and relationships violation. This violation does not have the resource ID present, so we'll click into the violation to find more contextual information about the location to this specific violation. From here, we can see the screen that is causing this violation. We'll be right back once I find this screen's XML file. From the XML file, we can see that this table is formatted with 3 separate text views, meaning that the individual columns cannot be determined programmatically. Let's take a look at the screen reader to see if it sees the same thing. Let's try clicking on one of the entries of this table to see if the screen reader is able to read an individual entry.
Tuesday pancakes, Caesar salad.
So the screen reader is not able to determine the individual columns of this table. Let's fix this. I'm going to go ahead and fix this violation with the power of movie magic. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. And we're back. Let's take a look at some of the changes we've made to resolve this violation. First up, each entry in the table now has its own text view and its own column within a larger table view. You can see the format for this layout in the bottom left. Next, we'll take a look at what the screen reader sees to see what kind of changes this makes. Let's go ahead and click on one of the entries and see what the screen reader is able to tell us.
Pancakes Tuesday says breakfast. Double tap to activate.
Now the screen reader is able to programmatically determine the information and relationships of the columns and rows of this table. Thus, we have resolved the info and relationship violation. And just like that, we've fixed our info and relationship accessibility violation. What violation do you think is the most important to resolve? Let us know in the comments down below. Happy developing!